Hi, Beth here from Williams Crawford. I'm back with Harry behind the camera, and last time we took out the 997 Turbo Cabriolet for a drive, and today we're going to take out our 718 Avenurine Green Cayman. A little bit more modern but equally amazing value for money. So without further ado, let's get out on the Cornish roads in this glorious sunshine. Been spoiled for luck today with the weather, but I think that I'm probably luckier to be out driving this Cayman on a day like today. We've got the aircon on icy cool because it is 24.5 degrees outside in Cornwall today, and the Cayman is feeling lovely. So we've only been out for about 10 minutes, and the first thing that I've noticed immediately already is how precise the steering is. Honestly, it's amazing. The car feels so stable and accurate on the road. It knows exactly what its job is, and that's to be a Cayman. They are renowned for being Porsche's mid-engine, compact sports cars that are agile while still having the power that you expect from the brand. And I think this really already is definitely meeting that expectation. I'm all for practicality, which is probably why I have 2 estate cars and my only daily passenger is my Springer Spaniel. But this car is everything you want for practicality. It's all but a brand new Porsche. It's only got 11,500 miles on it. I do that in 6 months. So we've got to our location to take a better look at the external dimensions of the Cayman. And I think the nice thing with these 718s is, in your big bundle of modern electronics and comfort, you also have that nod to historic Porsche racing, with the 718s originally being mid-engine race cars in the late 50s and early 60s. So I think as we walk round, you can see how crisp the lines are and how perfect it looks in the sunshine here today. So moving on to demonstrate just how practical this car is. If we look within the rear, being a mid-engine, you get the extra space that you get in the Boxster as well, but not the 911. So plenty of room for all your shopping, because there's no reason, no excuse why this car can't be an everyday car. And then also under the front, enough room for your overnight bags for a nice trip to Wales, the Lake District, or even across Europe. And lastly, but probably my favourite feature of this car personally, the colour, Aventurine Green Metallic. It is beautiful. Harry will get some close-up shots at it, but as you look into the paintwork, it sparkles and gives this glorious gleam to it. So we're back in the cockpit of the 718, and I've noticed some features which are really quite nice. So we've got the red instrument cluster dials, which I think give it that real sporty feel inside, because as good as it looks on the outside, you can't see that whilst you're driving. So to have those red faces in front of you reminds you that you're in a Porsche. Then there are also red seat belts, which again I think all add to the ambience that this car gives you. So getting on to what this car actually drives like, I'm by no means an expert on driving. I have a lot to learn, but I have driven a few now, well, been lucky enough to drive a few, and the power delivery in this car is phenomenal. There is absolutely no lag. It is so instant you wouldn't believe it, and that's coming from someone who's incredibly impatient. It's so much fun. It doesn't debate with you, it doesn't question whether it's gonna do what you want it to do or not. I've been riding horses for too long. It just does as you want it to. And you can't help smile about it. back in the showroom, and I think what we've established from our very nice drive around South East Cornwall is that this car delivers both on styling and performance. Harry even commented on the way back to me, how comfy is it, Beth? And I can't disagree with him. It is so comfortable. And I think the only thing that was left to say really about this car is how good value it is. To have the exact same specification new from Porsche currently, you're looking at about £60,000. This car is advertised with us at £43,000, well, £42,995 to be exact, and comes with our 6th month in-house warranty and fully prepared, ready for a summer fun of driving. If you'd like to inquire on this car, just give myself, Andy or Ross a shout and we'd be love to help you. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.